This is Britta, Outreach Specialist with the Coon Creek Watershed District, talking about the last subject we'll cover around our stormwater pollution prevention plan. It's about inspections and building grounds best practices. Each year, we inspect our stormwater best maintenance practices, such as our filters and our 2 stormwater ponds, as well as 20% of the 135-mile public ditch system that we maintain. In mid-2019, we moved to our own building and continue to work to getting all of our landscape contractors certified in turf best practices and winter smart salting. Are there things you'd like to see us demonstrate at our building that prevent stormwater pollution? Do you have constructive comments about our ditch inspection process? Leave them below or on our website under SWIP. Thank you so much for giving us your input around what we did in 2020 on our stormwater pollution prevention plan.